Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. As part of the Rankin Technical College AWD1111 class for the fall 2020 semester at Rankin, I've been going through a series of video presentations based on the textbook we're using for the class. And that textbook is Get Programming with Node.js by Ryan Wexler. It's a Manning text. Now, this next chapter is not particularly long, but it's broken up into 6 sections. So I've decided, good, bad, or indifferent, there will be a minimum of 6 lectures, one for each section of the chapter. Alright, so as the author says here, when I first got into web development, I wanted to build a website where people could view interesting recipes. Luckily for me, a local cooking school, Confetti Cuisine, wants me to build them a site with a landing page to reflect their course offering. A page full of recipes and a place where prospective students can sign up. As a cooking enthusiastic, I thought this would be a great project. Plus, it'll be fun to build in Node, and it'll allow us the chance to piece together what we cover up to that point in the chapter. So, as it says, we'll start with a new application from scratch, add 3 views, add routes for the views, and assets, and a public client folder. It says to start, we'll build out the application logic with a goal of clean, non-repetitive code. Then we'll add some of the public-facing views and some custom styling. At the end of the lesson, we'll have a web server to handle requests to specific files and assets in the project. The final project is one we can build upon and bring in the next section. We can bring in easier web development utilizing Express, and then in the next lesson, databases, etc. So to create this application, these are the steps that the author followed, beginning on the bottom of page 73 and going on to page 74. First, we initialized the package. Well, we'll do that after we create a new folder for the package. Alright, next we'll set up the directory structure. Following that, we'll create the application logic in main.js. Following that, we'll create 3 views, each of which should have a clickable image that can be served independently. Alright, you can read those yourselves. We'll add our custom assets, we'll build the router, we'll handle errors, and hopefully when we get all done, we'll be able to run the application. So that was, if anything, nothing else, 7-0. So I'm ready to get going, he says. So we will create a new folder. Okay, and we will do these 3 commands that they talk about right there. So let's start by going here. Right mouse click. In fact, let's take this and move it here. I want to take this and do a file, and I want to close my folder. Okay, I'm out of that folder, so I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to see if I can move that into my junk stash, and it won't let me. That's fine. But let's do a file. Right mouse click, new folder. We're calling this not new folder, but rather confetti_cuisine. Okay, so that's our start. We are going to come into Node here. In fact, cd to /confetti_cuisine. Alright. Again, I'm just following the steps as they're laid out in our textbook. And npm init. Alright, so once we do that, we want our npm init, so let's jump back to here. Okay, and it should be calling it Confetti Cuisine, which is what we want. Version's fine. Description, they wanted us to put in, I just stole theirs, a site for booking classes for cooking. The entry point will be main.js instead of index. Test command, nothing. Get, nothing. Keywords, nothing. Author, put in my name. License is fine. Is this okay? You betcha. Alright. Next, we want to install HTTP status codes package by running npm install that with the -save option. Within the Confetti Cuisine folder, the package.json file should resemble the example in the next listing. We can check ours, but let's wait until we put that command in. Okay, so let's see. So let's literally open up the package.json. In fact, let's open up that folder with code. And here is our package.json. So I'm going to just literally grab everything that's in it. Not very big. I'm going to copy it out to here, and I'm just going to paste it in. Alright. Then I'm going to cut this way down and bring this up so we can compare. Alright. Name Confetti Cuisine. Think I spelled anything wrong. Version 1. Description of site. A site for booking classes for cooking. I'm not sure. I mean, that's some kind of a weird character there, but I'm going to leave it. That's fine. Main is main.js. Scripts. Nothing. My name instead of the authors, of course. License ISC. Our dependencies now. Status code. We're 140, they were 130, that's no biggie. Alright, so far it's looking good. From this point forward, I'll be able to refer to this file as a summary of my application's configurations. Okay, that's not very much, but I'm stopping right there. So this is the end of 7.1.